Hi everybody, okay, welcome to another XID tutorial. Today we're going to have a look at using interactive in your design. So I'm going to build something real quick and simple just to demonstrate how to use the tools available to you. So we'll just go ahead and open a new design and we'll start a new project. Okay, so there's a couple of things I want to talk about here. You do have the ability to use a transparent background. But first I'm just going to make a small title here. Let's just call this interactive. Okay. You center all of that up. And there you go. And let's just push this down to the bottom here. And let's change the colors to white. That's the text. And the background I would like to make black. And once again, remember, if you need to just tidy up the layout, you can use the padding so that it allows you to get the correct spacing. Right, now we've created this button just using the text tool. Now if you have a look over here to the left, if you click on this, it brings up a link. It's obviously got no link at the moment, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another page very quickly. So I switch this off, I go back over here and I go page and I say add page. Let's just name this page website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a website here. Now this could be something like your shopping website where you may have a complete online store, but you want to present this to your users in store. So it's a very simple process. You click on the button over here, which allows you to embed the website. If you come to the right, you'll see over here, this is now pointing to the data post website. What I'm going to do is just make this full screen. I go down to the bottom and I transform and I make it full screen. Okay, so as you can see now, this is now our website that is now embedded in this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make another button to go back. So I will just use a little object here and I'll just search for home. And I'll just select this little home button here. Drops it on top of the web page. I'm going to now change its size. And I'm going to drop it down the bottom here on the page. You can see that it's over the top. I can obviously adjust the colors of that object. I think I'm going to just go for red now so it's clear to everyone as I demonstrate. Now I want this button to become interactive, so I simply go to the interactive and I select drop down and I want it to go home. If I click on it, it takes me back home. I can then take this button and make this interactive as well, so go to the website. Okay, so now we're back on the home page and we have the interactive function switched on, and I'm going to make this button navigate to the website. And if I click it, it would take me to the website. Okay, so we're back on the home page. Just want to go through a couple of other things. Obviously, we can add multiple objects on our front page. Let's assume that you had a promo video that you wanted to run in front of your interactive before people navigated through to your shop. You could very simply just go and search for that. Alright, there's a clip. We'll just use this. You click on it, then loads it into the page. I'm going to close this. I want this video to be full screen, so I navigate down to the bottom here, and I use transform and position and make it full screen. Now the button's gone, so this is where you take advantage of the layers. You have the two here. Let's quickly just go and name this so that we know what we're looking at. You click on it, and you can go and name it over here, and we'll just call this promo clip. It's always good practice to name your clips so that once your projects get larger, you understand what's happening in your layers. So I'm going to go back to the layers. You see the promo clip. I want to move it behind the interactive button, and the button becomes active again. And as you can see now, we can now navigate to the site and go wherever we like in that site as you would normally navigate. Okay, so thanks for watching, and that's how you utilize the interactive component of XID.